Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can check your TapSwap allocation. TapSwap has started allocating tokens to those who actually participated in the TapSwap project. I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to check your tokens. So guys, the first step you have to take now is to log into your TapSwap mining app on Telegram. As you can see, I'm on the home page. What you have to do now is to tap on drop. You can see where it's written drop, so let me tap on drop. Guys, you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there, questionnaire. Complete the questionnaire to increase your TAPS balance. So guys, if you want to increase your TAPS balance, that means if you want to increase the amount of TAPS token you're going to receive, then you can do that by completing this questionnaire. You can do that by tapping on continue. But in case you don't want to complete, the questionnaire, just tap on this box right here that is written, I don't want to increase my TAPS balance, but I want to increase it. So let me tap on continue. Then what you have to do right away now is to read through all of this, read through the terms and conditions. Let me tap on I accept. You can see that box right there on the left hand side. Let me tap on it. Then let me tap on start to start the questionnaire. So guys, can see here's the first question. You can see what's written there, your gender. So you have to choose if you're male or female. So let me choose male since I'm male. Let me tap on it. Then let me tap on next. Then here's the next one. This, what's your native language? So let me choose mine, English. Let me tap on next. Then what's your region of residence? Let me tap on Africa. Africa is my region of residence. Let me tap on next. Then here's the next one. What's your country of residence? Then let me look for mine. Let me look for my country of residence. Where is it? Nigeria. Then let me tap on next. Then what's your age? And let me choose my age bracket. Let me tap on next. Marital status, single. And next. Choose green to continue from the list of answers. Let me choose green. Then next. Employment status, full-time employed, part-time employed, not employed by choice, freelancer. And let me choose freelancer. And let me tap on next. How much time do you spend on gaming each day? Let me say 30 to 1 hour. Tap on next. Average monthly income per family member. Let me tap on this. Then next. What brand of phone do you use? Others. Next. Which device do you use for internet surfing? My phone. Let me tap on next. I think this question is too much. I think I'll just have to rush through it. So this is what you're going to face once you want to actually double your TapSwap token, your TapSwap allocation. Just go through this questionnaire and you stand the chance of getting an extra allocation. So let me quickly run through this. How many hours a day do you usually spend on social media content? Let me say 3 to 5 hours. And let me tap next. I think this is the last one. Wow guys, can see questionnaire completed. Thank you. So I can tap on back now. I've completed the questionnaire. So this is going to give me the chance of getting more TapSwap allocation. Wow guys, can see my balance. My balance is 28 taps. That means my allocation is 28 taps token. So guys, now I can see it right there. They said option for withdrawing tokens will be available soon. So they are going to soon bring the withdrawal options, which can be from exchanges or from wallets. So guys, now this is how you can be able to check your TapSwap allocation, and also how you can be able to stand the chance of getting more TapSwap allocation through the questionnaire completion. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload.